If you want to set up a private safe on a Realme GT 8 Pro, first of all, we need to go to the settings. Over here in settings, we can scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy. Now over here in security and privacy, we can scroll down in order to find the private safe. In order to be able to set up the private space, or private safe actually, we need to have a privacy password. Which of course, if you already have it set up, then you don't have to do that again. But if you didn't, then of course we need to create the password. In my case, I'm gonna use the pattern over here. You can also use your HeyTap account or Realme account in order to be able to recover the privacy password in case you forget it. I'm gonna tap on not now, I don't need it. And then we also have security settings, so you need to choose one of these options to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So in this case, I'm going to choose a security question. You can choose one of these pre-created questions, or you can create your own custom question. And then of course, we provided the answer. And in my case, I'm just going to enter anything in here, but in your case, you probably want to set it up properly. There we go, the password has been set. You can also use biometrics if you have them enabled. And then we can tap on done. And there we go. Now here, once again, we have the suggestion that for our greater convenience, it is recommended that we can open private safe using the fingerprint sensor, but I don't really need to do that. And here we can find our images and videos, audio files, documents, and other files, of course. We can tap on these three dots in order to open settings. We can add the home screen icon if you want to have a quicker access to the private safe. So this is something that I'm gonna do. There we go. And here we can also jump to the privacy password settings and other unlock methods where we can find biometrics. And essentially, if you want to now open the private safe, you can either go to the more security settings again in the settings of the phone, or if you added the app icon, then of course we can use that instead. And there we go. That's pretty much it. If you open any of these categories, we can press add in order to add new stuff into the private safe. Simple as that. Subscribe to my channel.